To all of you. Today we are discussing about the logic gates. Logic gates are the different types like the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So gate is a basically building block, digital building block that is used for making the digital circuits. First, we are going to discuss about the AND gate. So what is the AND gate? Symbol of the AND gate is like this. If there are two inputs A and B and both are true, then we get the output. AND का मीनिंग होता है कि A और B दोनों को ट्रू होना. If there are three input, we can also use the three input in case of the AND gate. Now if we are using the three input like this, then the AND gate output will be A, B and C. So that will be, we will get the output Y. तो इस तरह से AND गेट में दो या तीन इनपुट देने पर we get the output. Now that is the multiplication. Now suppose we are making the truth table of AND gate. The truth table will be like this. Inputs, there are two inputs. Output, input are A and B. Output is Y. Now two inputs are A and B. If 0 input is given, then output is also 0. If 1 input is given, then output is 0. If 1 input is given, output is 0. If 1 input is given, then output is 1. So in this manner, only when both the inputs are true, means both the inputs are 1, we are getting the output in case of the AND gate. Now second gate is the OR gate. Symbol of the OR gate is like this. It is the symbol of the OR gate. If there are two input A or B, we are getting the Y. Then Y is equal to A plus B. जो Y होगा वो A और B का सम होगा. Now if we make the truth table of this OR gate, then truth table will be inputs, these are, and output Y. Now inputs are A and B. A and B are the input and Y is the output. If we are giving the 0 input, then output will be 0. If the input are like this 1 0, then output is 1 1 0, then output is 1 and 1 1, then output is 1. तो इस तरह से OR गेट में हमारा जो आउटपुट है वो हाई होता है जब एक कोई भी इनपुट हाई हो या दोनों इनपुट हाई हो. Now the note gate is reciprocal. Suppose we have the A as the input, then the output Y is equal to A bar. That will be the output. Now suppose this is the input, A is given, and we are getting the Y as the output. So Y is equal to A bar. Means if 0 is given at the input, अगर हम इनपुट में 0 देंगे, then output Y will be 1, and if 1 is given as the input, then output will be 0. That is the AND gate. That is the truth table of AND gate. Now what is the meaning of NAND? Next gate is the NAND gate. NAND means note AND. Means first we make the note gate, AND gate, then make the note gate. So now the logic diagram of this NAND gate will be like this. Is the AND gate, A and B. We are getting the output, and that is the 0, and here we are getting the Y as the output. So in this manner we have seen, इसको हम as a symbolically we can represent like this. That can be represented like A and B, then output will be Y. So Y is equal to, in case of the NAND operation, A B ka bar, that is the Y. In case of the NOR gate, we have symbol like this, that is the note OR. That is the note OR. If A and B are the two input, Y is the output, then in case of the NOR gate, output will be A plus B ka bar. So that is means we are making one OR gate and another NOT gate. That will be equivalent to this. The truth table will be like the reverse of the OR gate. तो यहाँ पर अगर A और B हम इनपुट ले लेते हैं, and if we make the truth table regarding it, then if 0 0, in case of the OR gate, it will be the, that will be A plus B ka bar, so that will be 1. In case of the 1 0, that will be the 0. In case of the 1 0, that will be the 0, or 1 1, then it will be the 0. So that is the NOR gate. Now XOR gate, symbol of the XOR gate is like this. If A and B are the input, Y is the output, then Y is equal to AB bar plus A bar B. That will be the output. Now the exclusive OR gate truth table will be like A, B, and we are getting the finally Y. Now Y will be In case of the exclusive OR gate, y will be this. Now if both 0 0 is given, then output will be 0. If 0 1 is given, output will be 1. If 1 0 is given, then output will be 1. If 1 1 is given, output will be 0. इस तरह से जो हमारा XOR गेट होगा उसका आउटपुट हमारा इस तरह से हमको मिलता है. नाउ XNOR गेट, in case of the XNOR gate, output y is equal to a bar b bar plus ab, and output symbol of the XNOR gate will be like XOR gate, and NOT gate is also added. So that is the reciprocal of the XOR gate. Now the truth table will be reciprocal of the XOR gate. So इस तरह से these are our gates. We should remember the logic diagram and truth table. Now there are two De Morgan theorems. The first De Morgan theorem says a plus b bar is equal to a bar b bar. It means कि if that is the a plus b bar means NOR gate, and a bar b bar can be realized this. It is the bubble. It means a or entry is the a bar, b and entry will be the b bar. Now z will be a bar dash b bar. Now come to the second De Morgan theorem. That will be the a dot b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Now the a dot b bar is equal to NAND gate. That is the reciprocal of the AND gate. And a bar plus b bar, that will be the bubbled OR gate. It means if there are two OR gate and there are two bubbles, then output will be the y. If there are a or b, then y is equal to a bar plus b bar. तो इस तरह से these are the two De Morgan theorems. So they can ask in exam about De Morgan theorem, first De Morgan theorem, second De Morgan theorems, and all the gates. Study it. Okay, thank you.